So, introducing the new GlowkitUK Interior RGB kit for your footwell of your vehicle. A brand new super bright LED interior kit. This kit includes all of the same features that their RGB underglow kit comes with. So it has a colour changing mode, music mode and a lot more. It can pick up your voice and a lot more. It also uses the same app, which will be linked below, but it has over 200, I believe, over 200 presets, so anything from your standard rainbow forwards and backwards, simple colours. It can have anything to do like Christmas lights, you can dance it, strobe lights, a lot of features to be fair. They also pair up with the exterior kit, so you can actually sync the two using the same app, so it actually has the same colour or the same colour flow or the same like strobe lights. It's all synced up. It also comes with, so in the box you will receive a Bring Neons Back air freshener, which again I think we're going to all agree on is something that needs to happen. You also receive a GlowkitUK sticker. You also receive a instruction manual, a 12-volt connection, a USB connection, the Bluetooth receiver which will be actually on the wire itself as you can see in the video, and obviously your interior strips. Now you'll see with the interior strips you'll have two that's the same length and the other two will be slightly longer. Now obviously depending on where your cigarette lighter is or how you're going to wire them in, obviously depends on which set will go into the back. I put the shorter ones into the back just because I have a cigarette lighter in the center console, so I ran it from there going down through the car, behind the seats obviously into the rear footwells, and then the longer ones I had going into the front footwells, going through the center console, coming out underneath the footwell and obviously lighting up the rear footwell, the front footwells. So my overall opinion and view on this kit, it is really good quality. The LEDs are super bright, it's put together very well, it's packaged very well, and it's just a very well thought out kit to be fair. They also give you switches. The switch itself, it feels very sturdy and not some cheap thing. I've had a few cigarette lighter switches like that before, it's just like a little button on top and it feels cheap and tacky. This actually has like a satisfying click and it does the job very well. The overall thing of it is I do really adore this kit, and the fact it syncs up with your actual underglow kit as you can see in the video, it works so well. The only thing I would suggest is make sure you clean your interior plastics or wherever you're mounting them very well, because the tape is quite awkward sometimes. I did notice in certain areas it wasn't sticking very well. Why that is I'm not sure, because it is 3M tape, so it should be sticking very well. So yeah, that's the only thing I can really suggest on the kit. That just double check, make sure everything is super clean and just definitely have a go. The discount code is linked in the description below, but that is GlowJosh10 for 10% off all of GlowkitUK products. Obviously, if you want to leave a review or anything below, that would be absolutely appreciated. Thank you very much.